Lesson number 4, Geometric Construction. Under this lesson, we have already studied the two constructions. That is, when the one construction we studied, when how to construct a triangle when its base and adjacent angles to the base and sum of their sides are given. Okay, so today we will see the new construction, construction number 2. That is our second construction. Construction number 2. Then in this construction inside, to construct a triangle, the heading is that to construct a triangle when its base angle adjacent to the base angle adjacent to the base and difference between remaining side sides is given. So here we have to construct a triangle when its base angle and the difference between the remaining side is given. Then how to do the construction, that we are going to study today. So for that we will write the question at first. Example is that construct triangle ABC. ABC such that BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle ABC equals to 40 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter. So from this what we are understanding, the heading is that to construct a triangle when its base angle adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining side is given. So here from this what we are understanding, BC is the base of the triangle. So first of all we will draw the BC, which is the base of the triangle. So here it is BC. Okay, then here angle adjacent to the base. So which angle is here? B angle is there. Angle adjacent to base, its measure is equals to 40 degree. So here it is my 40 degrees side. Okay, now here and the difference between remaining side is given. So AB and AC are the two sides and its difference is given. From this what we are understanding, which side is greater? AB is greater than AC. So rough figure inside, that AB we have to show the greater and the AC we have to show the smaller. So according to the information given in the question, my AB is greater than AC, right? So this is my rough figure. BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, angle B is equal to 40 degree, and AB is greater than AC. So now we will start to do the construction. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the base, and base is BC, and BC is equals to how much? 7.5. So here it is base, and I will draw it here, that is 7.5. So this is 7.5 segment. Okay, this measure is 7.5 A B BC, sorry, B, and this one is the C. BC is equal to 7.5. Next is we have to take angle B as a 40 degree. This angle B is there, we have to take it how much? 40 degree. So here it is 40 degrees angle, and we have to extend this side. Okay, So this is 40 degree. Next step is that what we have to do, here the difference given AB minus AC is equal to 3 centimeter is given. So we have to take a distance, that is difference, that is whatever is the difference, that much distance we have to take in our compass. So here it is 3 centimeters distance I will take in my compass. Okay, so if you notice this, its measure is 3 centimeter. Now next what we have to do, from this B angle, from this B, put this metal point on this and draw the arc, and this is the D. This is my point D. Now join DC. DC we have to join. Okay. The next step of the construction is that we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for the DC. What we have to do, DC's perpendicular bisector we have to draw, and we know the steps of drawing the perpendicular bisector. So take the distance more than half of DC in your compass, draw one arc above the line and one below the line. Without changing the distance, put this metal point on D, and here it is, draw the arc which intersect the first arc and here the second, here downside. And now we have to join these points. And I have to extend this side till it joins the point, joins the ray BD. Ray BD. And this is my point A. This is my point A. And now I will join the AC. AC. And this is my triangle ABC. And if you see here AB minus AC, so measure the AB and AC, so you will get the difference between them is the how much? It is 9 centimeter. If you notice here, from here to here distance is 9 centimeter, and AC's distance is equals to 6 centimeter. And as you know that 9 minus 6 is equals to 3. So this is the construction of triangle when it's a base, one of the base angle, and the difference between the sides is given. Then in this way we have to construct the triangle. Okay, we have to construct the triangle. Okay, now we will see the second construction from this only, and the heading is construction second inside it. What we have to do, heading is same only question is different. So what is the question? The question is the construct triangle. Here I will take the next question. Construct triangle ABC. Question number 2. Construct triangle ABC in which side BC is equals to 7 centimeter. BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equals to 40 only, 40 degree. And AC minus AB is equals to 3 centimeter. AC minus AB is equals to 3 centimeter. So first of all, we will draw the rough figure for this. So rough figure inside, here it is base. Which is the base here? BC is the base. So I will draw here BC base. Now here it is BC, and base is equals to how much? 7 centimeter. It is 7 centimeter. Now we have to take the angle B, and its measure is equal to how much given? 40 degree. So this is my rough figure actually, 40 degree. But here AC minus AB given, means AC is smaller than AB. So whenever I have to draw this triangle, this is my, so here it is the AC is greater than AB. B. So this is my triangle. AB is shorter than AC. Its measure is equal to how much? 40 degree. Okay. So here in this figure inside, now here in this angle is given. Okay, angle B is given, and this AC is there. It is greater than, means angle's opposite side is greater than the adjacent side of angle. So at that time our construction will come below the BC. Okay, so first of all I will show you the construction how it is there. So here we have to take AD. AD is equals to how much it will come? So first of all rough figure in that way come. Our construction is below the line. This is 40 is angle suppose, and our construction is below the line. So here it is point D. It will come. Okay. So here it is A. This is AC, and it is B 7 centimeter. It is 40 degree, and this point D. When this AC means angle's opposite side is greater than the adjacent side, that we have to do the construction below the line. So we'll move towards the next construction. First of all we have to take the BC is equals to 7 centimeter. So mine BC is equals to 7 centimeter is here. BC 7 centimeter. Okay. Now next step is that we have to take the angle of 40 degree here. So this is 40 degree. Draw ray from this. Now what is the difference given AC minus AB? Means angle's opposite side is greater. So 3 centimeter is there, that we have to take below the line. So here it is. We have to extend this line below this. So its measure is 40 degree, and difference is equal to how much given? 3 centimeter. Take distance of 3 centimeter in your compass and draw the arc from B to the below the line BC. Below the line BC. So here it is BC. Now we have to take this BC arc below the line. Okay, and here it is there, and this is my point D. Okay, so we have to join now D and C. This is DC. I have to join. Follow the same steps of construction. Okay, so DC, and as we drawn here, the DC is perpendicular bisector. Okay, here, then here also we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for DC only. So for that you have to take the more than half distance in your compass. One arc we have to draw above the line and one below the line. From point D, draw the arc which intersect the first one. Now join these arcs and now I got here point A, the point which intersect this perpendicular bisector and the sec DC. This is my point A, and now we have to join AC. AC. Now if you notice here, AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. And if you measure the distance of AC and AB, so here it is how much? 5.5. And here it is 2.5. And 5.5 minus 2.5 is equals to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is our construction when the AC is greater than AB. Means angles opposite side is, if it is greater, we have to do the construction below the BC, and the angle which is the side which is adjacent to the angle, given angle, the side which is means which side is greater, the angles adjacent side is greater, we have to do the construction above the line. One more time I am going to repeat, the side which is adjacent to the given angle is greater, then construction we have to do the above the line. And if the side which is opposite to the given angle, so AC is opposite to the and B, that is 40 degree, and this is means its opposite side it is there, and then we have to do the construction below the given segment. So this is our construction. Today we have completed the two constructions when the difference is given and means base, adjacent angle and difference is given, then how to do the construction that we had seen. So one more construction is left that we will see in our next lecture, and today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.